This is the owner's manual. Very poor translated English. I mean, you would not believe the English in this thing. This is a charger came with it, with the plug. You can buy these adapters on eBay to make this an American style plug-in. I have several of them. I just haven't got one out of the room yet. The transmitter it came with it. Pretty cool. It made that beeping noise when it made this unscheduled landing, so I don't know if it was telling me the battery is running low on the helicopter or it's losing bind or what. But little helicopter shows the blades is spinning on there. It flew really well. It's got a high rate and a low rate on it. I didn't do any trimming whatsoever on it. It flew right out of the box just fine. Here's the box for it. V915. Pretty nice. Came with a piece of cardboard here and wrapped up in some foam. It also comes in red, and I believe it comes in yellow. It's a really nice looking helicopter for the price. So, from what I've had with it so far, I highly recommend it. You can change the throttle from left side to the right side, which means nothing to us here in the US. It's a 4-channel helicopter. Everything flew fine on the first flight. I flew it on low rates the entire time. So that's it for now. WLToys V915 fixed pitch helicopter, 4-channel, really neat looking. Let's see here. Really cool helicopter. Didn't mind. Didn't like that, did it? Do anything so differently. That time about. There it goes. Really cool looking. Got neat lights on it. Well, that's neat looking. Got a pretty bright headlight. You don't have to take the battery out to charge it. Charge it through the balance port. Pretty smooth, pretty smooth. It does look cool. Just so past by me. It's pretty neat, isn't it? Whoa, almost took it out. I'm not a real good helicopter pilot. This is on low too. Next time I fly it, I'll fly it on high. If it flies again. Handle's pretty good. I didn't do that. I might have done that. It did something weird. At least it landed on its gear, so it should be okay. I don't know what it did there. Tough landing gear. I don't know if that was battery or what. I think it must be low battery. It didn't like something. This is high rates. This little humming noise. Didn't land it this time. I hate ending my last flight with an unsuccessful landing. Don't like being close to the ground. Kill it. That's good enough for now. Breeze is kicking up a little bit. It's got a nice little breeze. Cool. Yeah. I'd like to end my flight with a successful landing. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Like it, like it, like it.